Assalamualaikum. Today is 23rd of August 2022 and I'm back with my friend Khurram Nasirana Sahib. He just came from London, from Manchester, and we are standing at the Nile River. Nile River has been mentioned many times in the Quran and Bible, one of the most beautiful river in the world. Its length is more than 5,500 miles and it goes in 5 different continents, 5 different countries. It has been mentioned in Bible many times, in the Quran many times, and look at the beauty of the Nile River. There are 5-star hotels over there, ships are going, the ships are going over there, and the water is, we are just at the edge of the water. We are just at the edge of the water, and the new ship is coming. That's the new ship which is coming. That's the new ship which is coming, and it's one of the most beautiful places in the world. One of the most beautiful places in the world. This is a Nile River, and we are down at the moment. We are down at the moment. This is a restaurant. We have come for a cup of coffee, and people are enjoying. This is the boat which is going. This is the boat which is going. Most beautiful boat in the world and most beautiful river in the world. It's called Nile River. We are in Egypt, city called Cairo, 23rd of August 2022. Beautiful, beautiful. Summa insha'Allah khalqul akhir fa tabarakallahu ahsanul khaliqin. Allah says in the Holy Quran what a beautiful His creature is and how beautiful God would be who has created this world. Tabarakallahu, summa insha'Allah khalqul akhir, summa insha'Allah khalqul akhir fa tabarakallahu ahsanul khaliqin. Tabarakallahu ahsanul khaliqin. Tabarakallahu ahsanul khaliqin. What a beautiful world. What a beautiful world. Subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah.